Malusod ka.
Dito ka, babe. Okay. Hi guys, this is a challenge, and whoever gets picked gets to smell this. This is the most toxic, the most stinkiest and
the
smelly, the smelliest, and it smells like poop. Okay.
Yeah,
let's do it.
yeah.
Go kasi. 1, 2, 3, go. Wala. Wala ulit.
Ako. Oh my God! Ilang seconds? Ilang seconds?
Wala. Hanggang ano lang. 1. 1, 2, 3, go. 1. Okay na yan! Okay, let's see who next. Who goes next?
Ikaw! Siya, ako.
And if you want to see.
Go.
Lord, do I really have...
Go na! 1.
Oh, wow.
Okay, guys. So, next naman. Wala.
Kayo.
Wala. Caleb. One lang natin. Are you ready? No, one lang. Go.
1, 2, 3, go!
So, guys, for
Thank you
today's
guys.
video, sa next video na lang, napupunta kami sa taas. Okay, so nandun yung tent, bago
Okay,
na. Hindi na dyan, nasa taas na.
Click here to watch the video.
Bye! Bye!
Like and subscribe.